Introducing the Zontes 368k, a premium touring maxi scooter built to deliver thrilling performance for daily commuting while keeping long-distance rides ultra-comfortable. As part of Zontes' upgraded 368 series, it packs a larger, more powerful engine and cutting-edge tech, making it a serious challenger to the Honda Forza 350 and Yamaha X-Max 300. The 368k is powered by a new liquid-cooled, single-cylinder 368 cubic centimeters engine, delivering a noticeable boost in performance over earlier 350 cubic centimeters models, with 38.8 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque, good for an estimated top speed of 150 to 160 km per hour, a long-range friendly 17-liter fuel tank, and a manageable 188 kg curb weight. True to Zontes' reputation for over-specifying its machines, the 368k comes loaded with premium, touring-grade features, including factory-fitted front and rear 1080p dash cams, a 6.75-inch TFT smart cockpit with smartphone mirroring and TPMS, an electrically adjustable windshield and handlebars for personalized comfort, powerful J.1 radial brakes with dual-channel ABS, and a smart keyless 3.0 security system with electronic seat and fuel cap locks. As the dedicated grand tourer of the lineup, the 368k is purpose-built for those who refuse to choose between luxury and utility. Under the seat, you'll find a cavernous storage bay designed to swallow 2 helmets with ease, while the cockpit keeps you powered up via dual USB-A and USB-C fast charging ports. The ride itself feels more like a lounge than a scooter, thanks to a sofa-style seat with integrated lumbar support and wide footboards that let you stretch out on long hauls. In markets like Europe, the Zontes 368k is priced aggressively, typically around €5,000 to €5,500. Is this your next ride? Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for tuning in.